Officially, you guys, I want to announce here and for everyone that I, Adam Steele, am formally retiring one of my businesses, Legacy Dynamics, my contracting welding business here in San Diego, California. I am retiring myself from taking on clients unless you're a really good friend and want to have a decent amount of money to pay for my time, but it's okay. I am wanting to build a team, so I will be seeking your help to find hungry people willing to travel that want to learn trades under a GC of 23 states that want to build and see products and things with their hands as well as their minds and their effort, and are willing to learn and not be overly sensitive that they can't understand if they make a mistake. It is what it is, and this is how we move forward. People do stupid things and that happens, all right? But if you can't hear it, then you're not for it, all right? There's a lot of people out here where they let their pride and ego get in their way. I'm not looking for those people. I'm looking for hard workers that want to build something awesome. So at the end of the day, you can be like, I fucking made that, and willing to learn. If you think you're special, if you think that you have more skills than I do or know more than everyone else around you, or you believe that you're entitled to a position that you didn't work for, you should not apply. Let me rephrase that. Don't do it. Do not apply if you think that you're that type of person. If your ego and pride stand in your way most of your life and you haven't really worked a real job because you've been in the military for too long, go out and get experience before you come to work with a serious individual who's making serious things happen. Okay? You can go fail at the 7-Eleven first. I don't care. So, wanting to build a team, willing to travel and be in several locations throughout the year, because once we finish San Antonio, we will be moving to another licensing project here in California, also Colorado and Tennessee, and we will be acquiring properties and building them from the ground up. So this is going to be very exciting. We're going to build some of the most best world-class style gyms, and then the Warehouse gyms from here on out are going to be leading the world in standard as far as cleanliness, style, design, and offering of service and equipment. So that's going to be something that Legacy Dynamics will be taking over now. We are going to become a gym builder. As I am, we are going to build out the company to do just that. So please, send us your resume to the email you can find here. Please like and subscribe. And absolutely, if you're willing to get down and do something badass, let me know, because we're going to need a team that can also take care of these gyms. And they will be on a plane with me flying around. And that's going to be a regular thing come 2024. So sounds exciting. I can't wait to see how that unfolds. And I can't wait to meet some eager and hungry people that are capable and are not soft-handed bitches. So let's do it, you guys. That's exciting. I'm officially retiring to do something else, to do more of the same.